Hello everybody, I hope you're all okay. So for today's phonics lesson, we don't have a video because I feel like our air trigraph that we learnt yesterday, I feel like we just need to recap it once more today to really understand and apply it. Okay, so what I would like you to do is if you want to rewatch the video to help refresh your memory, please do so. I'll add the link in again. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to practice writing some more sentences with some different words with the phoneme air in. Okay, so let me know how you get on with that. I have also in your work packs you have got a little reading challenge. So it's called On the River, and I would like you to, it's only a short story, so I'd like you to read that, and then you've got some questions about that story, okay, because it's really important, as well as reading stories and texts, it's really important to understand what you have read. So these questions will help you understand what you have read. Okay, right, lovely. Let's start with today's English lesson then. So in your work packs you should have at the top here where it says English lesson 3 and 4. Okay, and today we're going to focus on sequencing the story. Does anybody know what sequencing, oh sorry, I'm just trying to get a little bit comfortable here. Does anyone know what I mean by sequencing? Okay, well done if you think, or if you said that sequencing means putting something in order. Okay, so we're going to do that for our story today. And what's our story about again? What's it called? The Gruffalo. So we are going to sequence the Gruffalo in order today. So you have got, I'll make it a little bit close, make it a bit closer for you. You have got 6 pictures in your work pack, but they are not in order. So your first challenge, first of all, is to cut them all out and just place them in order. Okay, can you have a go at doing that then, please? Think about your story map that you've done. Maybe that could help you. Have a go. Okay, well done if you put those in the correct order, in the right sequence. So now what we're going to do is, if you turn over, you have got some lined paper here. So the first box, it says first. So that's obviously the first thing that has happened in the story. And it's got a little space here, and that's where you're going to stick your picture in. I'm going to use my magic board, I call it, to stick mine on, just because obviously it makes it a bit clearer for you. So I've cut out my first picture. Did anybody else put, can you see that? The mouse walking into the woods first. Well done if you did. So I've got my blue tack and I'm just going to stick that here. Can we see that? Well, obviously you can't see, it's a bit small there, but oh well. So here you have got space to write your sentence. So the idea is that once we've sequenced it, we're going to write a little bit about that picture, just 1 or 2 sentences to show our understanding of the story. So looking at our picture, what can you see? So what can you see? So I can see a mouse walking into the woods. Okay, so that's my sentence. What I have done for you is I've uploaded a sheet, like a PDF sheet, with some keywords to help you with your spelling. Okay, it's got some pictures above to help you, but most of the words you can phonetically break down. You can use your phonics hands to help, okay? Right, so before I get started with my sentence writing, I'm going to make sure I've got everything I need. So I've got my green pen for my capital letters, got my normal pen to write in my neat handwriting, and I've got my red for my full stops, or it could be a question mark, whatever punctuation, okay? So back to our picture. The mouse is walking in the woods. Okay, so that's what my sentence is going to be. So I've got my green pen, and I'm going to start my sentence with a clear capital letter. So it's touching the one bottom of the line to the top, okay? The. We all know how to spell our tricky word, the. The mouse. Okay, so I've got my finger space. Ow. We've not learned this ow sound yet, but we will be soon. Ow. Okay, so this is one of the words that I've helped you with your spelling if you look on the help sheet that I've uploaded, okay? So the mouse, finger space, is walking, okay, is walking. So if, what's my sound? And a g, well done. So when I'm doing my g, make sure it's hanging off the line, okay? So the mouse is walking, finger space, in the woods. Okay, how would I spell woods? What can we hear? Can I break that down? W, u, d, s, woods. Okay, so w, we've got our short or that we're actually learning next week. W, u, d, s. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? A full stop. Brilliant. Right, shall I check over my sentence now? Do you want to read with me? The mouse is walking in the woods. Okay, I've checked my sentence. I think I've noticed something. Can you notice anything? Well done if you notice. I put a capital letter for the. Do I need a capital letter? I don't know, because it's not a name. It's not a name of a place or a person. Okay, so I do not need a capital letter in the middle of my sentence there. So I'm going to cross it out and do a lowercase t. Okay, so that's why it's really important to check over your sentences, okay, to make sure you've not made any mistakes. So it's fine to make mistakes, but as long as you notice that you've made that mistake and you correct it. Okay, brilliant. So now I've done my sentence. I would like you to challenge yourself. Could you maybe like add extra detail? So the mouse is walking in the deep, dark woods. That'd be brilliant if you can add that detail in your sentence. Okay, so now I want you to get the next part that is for the sequence of our story, okay? So I've added the next part of our story. So well done if you stuck in the fox. Okay, so the mouse, what happens? He meets the fox, doesn't he? And the fox said, "Oh, you look good." But the mouse was going to meet who? The Gruffalo. So the fox became scared. So obviously that's a lot to write, and we're only writing a few sentences. So all I'm going to do is write 2 sentences for this picture. So my first sentence, I'm going to write the mouse, met a fox. Okay, so that's 5 words for my first sentence. And then I'm thinking, the fox wanted to eat the mouse, but he was scared of who? The Gruffalo. Okay, so we'll write our first sentence first of all. Can anyone remember what I just said? The mouse met the fox. Brilliant. So again, capital T. The mouse. Now I know how to spell mouse now, so the making sure all our letters are the same size, so it's nice and neat. The mouse met a fox. Fox. Okay, so the mouse met a fox. What do I need to finish my sentence? Full stop. Brilliant. So the mouse met a fox. The fox wanted to eat the mouse. So again, now I've got a full stop. I need to start my sentence with another capital letter. So the fox want. So want is one of our tricky words. wanted. Okay, so it's an e and a d suffix at the end. The mouse met a fox. The fox wanted to eat him. Eat. We've done that E sound, haven't we? Eat him. But, so I've added a conjunction there. So I'm adding more detail to my sentence. I'm joining two sentences together here by adding the word but. Okay. So the fox wanted to eat him, but he was, so remember was, I know a lot of you put the z at the end, was scared, scared of the Gruffalo. Okay, now the Gruffalo is a name of a character, so I need a capital letter. So I'm going to get my green pen again. G no. Okay, so let's check my sentence now, see if it makes sense. Can you read with me? The fox wanted to eat him, but he was scared of the Gruffalo. And what do I need to end my sentence with? A full stop. Brilliant. So you have got 6 boxes, okay, because you've got 6 pictures that you need to order. So I've said that we could do 3 boxes today and then tomorrow do 3 more boxes, because that is a lot of writing. I want you to take care with this writing, so I don't want you to rush it. So that's why I've said you've got 2 English lessons on this, okay? Because I've added quite a lot of detail here. I've added 2 sentences for this picture. If you do run out of space, don't worry, you can use any lined paper you've got at home, okay? I look forward to reading your sentences on WeDuck. Remember, our capital letters, finger spaces, full stops, okay? Right, I will see you soon.